Today I invite you to walk with me through this tastefully updated and charming home located at 1023 Tolmie. This charming 2-bedroom, 1-den, 1-bathroom character home has been smartly updated and is move-in ready. With over 1,500 square feet of living space, this gem is located in a friendly neighborhood just steps away from Cloverdale Traditional Elementary School and offers the convenience of walking or cycling to nearby amenities such as Jackson Park, Thriftys, and shopping. Inside, the main floor boasts an open concept kitchen and living area with 2 bedrooms, perfect for entertaining. Downstairs, you'll find a newly finished basement that includes a 3rd room, bonus space, and plenty of storage. The basement has a separate entrance with newly installed vinyl plank flooring, white painted walls and trim, recessed lighting, and even new windows. Outside, you'll enjoy the benefit of the brand new sidewalks, driveway, and freshly placed lawn that make this home truly move-in ready. My clients have worked tirelessly to prepare this home for sale, so don't miss your chance to get into this sought-after neighborhood. My name is Greg Dirksen from Royal LePage Coast Capital Realty here in Victoria. If this home is of interest to you, I'd love to have the opportunity to show you through. Please reach out and let's come take a look.